Hey y'all, today I'm making the cutest Thanksgiving holiday treat. It's gonna look so cute at your Thanksgiving table. I got 2 bags of these pumpkin spice jet push marshmallows. And aren't they cute? They're actually shaped like little marshmallows. My measuring cup. Got our Rice Krispies. We're gonna do 2 cups of Rice Krispies. And then we're doing another 1.5 cups or 2 cups of the Cocoa Krispies. So once we have this mixed together, we're gonna pour this all over the top. Once you have all of your Rice Krispies kind of evenly spread out, I couldn't find any pumpkin pie spice because the stores are out, so I got some apple pie spice, which is similar. The only thing that apple pie spice doesn't have are cloves. We just add some cloves to this, kind of make it more of that pumpkin pie flavor. Then I've got a stick of butter that I've sliced up. Just gonna pop these right on top. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for just 10-12 minutes, really, really short. Ooh, it is smelling like the holidays in this kitchen. Just give this a mix. Get all that pumpkin spice marshmallow and those Rice Krispie treats all mixed together. This is I still have one more step to make these really, really cute for the holidays. So I'm just gonna push this down for a second, and then I'm gonna let this cool off till it gets to be about room temperature so I can handle this with my hands. Once it's all flattened out and it's gotten kind of chilled, you know these snowball makers? These are perfect for Thanksgiving treats. I go in, fill it. Okay. Just get rid of all the extra. Look, we've got looking like a little duck. We're gonna turn these ducks into turkeys with the help of some candy corn. And look, the cutest little Rice Krispie turkey. So good. You have to make a batch. Oh my God, this tastes amazing.